What if I told you there's a simple way to protect all your Taboola accounts? The newest detection systems on Taboola use cross-session tracking. They remember your behavior from weeks ago and compare it with current activity to find connections between accounts. The answer is Multilogin, the industry standard for browser isolation. It generates mathematically unique fingerprints for each profile, making every account look like it's running on a different computer. Create a naming system for your profiles. When managing dozens of accounts, organization is the key to avoiding mistakes and cross-contamination. Configure your language settings to match your proxy region. An IP from Germany with English-only browser settings can trigger suspicion on some platforms. Every successful Taboola marketer I know uses this approach. It's not optional anymore. It's the cost of doing business in the modern era. Start protecting your Taboola accounts in the next 5 minutes.